Have you ever wondered what hidden opportunities could completely transform your life? In this eye-opening video, we'll unveil 15 game-changing opportunities that could be the key to unlocking your full potential. If you don't watch, you might miss out on the surprising secret that successful people use to fast-track their way to the top. Stay tuned to discover how a simple shift in perspective could lead to unimaginable success and fulfillment. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more life-changing insights. 1. The hidden power of lifelong learning. Education is the foundation of personal growth and success. It's not just about formal schooling, it's about cultivating a curious mindset and continuously expanding your knowledge. Embrace opportunities to learn new skills, explore different subjects, and challenge your assumptions. For example, billionaire Warren Buffett attributes much of his success to his habit of reading 500 pages a day, constantly learning about business and the world around him. 2. Unlocking your true calling. The career path less traveled. Choosing the right career path can be a pivotal moment in your life. It's essential to align your passions and strengths with your professional goals. Take time to explore different options and don't be afraid to pivot if necessary. Consider the story of Sarah Blakely, who went from selling fax machines to founding Spanx, a billion-dollar company, by following her entrepreneurial instincts. 3. The invisible web of success. Building your professional network. Networking is a crucial aspect of professional growth that often goes overlooked. Attend industry events, join professional associations, and cultivate meaningful relationships with colleagues and mentors. Remember, it's not just about who you know, but who knows you. Take inspiration from Richard Branson, who credits much of his success to the connections he's made throughout his career. 4. From dream to reality. The entrepreneurial leap. Starting a business can be a life-changing opportunity at any stage of your life. It's a chance to turn your ideas into reality and create something meaningful. Don't be afraid to start small and learn as you go. Look at the story of Arianna Huffington, who co-founded the Huffington Post in her 50s, proving it's never too late to embark on an entrepreneurial journey. 5. The compound effect. The magic of early investing. Investing early is one of the most powerful ways to secure your financial future. Start by educating yourself on investment basics and consider diversifying your portfolio. Even small, consistent investments can grow significantly over time due to compound interest. For instance, if you had invested $1,000 in Amazon stock in 1997, it would be worth over $1.5 million today. 6. The world is your classroom. Embracing travel and cultural exposure. Travel opens your mind to new perspectives and cultures, enhancing your personal growth and understanding of the world. It can boost your confidence, adaptability, and problem-solving skills. Consider the story of travel writer Bill Bryson, whose journeys have not only shaped his career, but also provided insights that have resonated with millions of readers worldwide. 7. The superpower of adaptability. Mastering new skills. Learning new skills is a lifelong opportunity that can transform both your personal and professional life. Whether it's coding, public speaking, or playing an instrument, each new skill opens doors to new possibilities. For example, Elon Musk taught himself rocket science, which led to the creation of SpaceX, revolutionizing space travel. 8. Finding your voice. The art of public speaking. Public speaking is a powerful skill that can set you apart in any field. It can help you convey your ideas effectively, influence others, and boost your career prospects. Many successful leaders like Michelle Obama have honed their public speaking skills to inspire millions and affect change on a global scale. 9. The Wisdom Bridge. The power of mentorship. Having a mentor can accelerate your personal and professional growth exponentially. They can provide valuable insights, help you avoid common pitfalls, and open doors to new opportunities. Take Mark Zuckerberg, for instance, who credits Bill Gates as an important mentor in his early days of building Facebook. 10. The ultimate investment. Prioritizing your health. Making healthy lifestyle choices is an investment in your future well-being. It affects your energy levels, mental clarity, and overall quality of life. Prioritize regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and adequate sleep. Look at Richard Branson, who attributes much of his success and productivity to his daily exercise routine and healthy lifestyle. 11. Your digital footprint, crafting a compelling personal brand. Building a strong personal brand can open doors to numerous opportunities. It's about showcasing your unique skills, values, and expertise. Actively manage your online presence and consistently deliver value in your field. Gary Vaynerchuk is a prime example of someone who has leveraged personal branding to build multiple successful businesses. 12. The joy of giving back. The impact of volunteer work. Volunteering is an opportunity to make a meaningful impact on your community while gaining new perspectives and skills. It can lead to personal fulfillment and even professional opportunities. Consider the story of Blake Mycoskie, whose volunteer work in Argentina inspired him to create Tom's Shoes, a company that's donated millions of shoes to children in need. 13. Building wealth brick by brick, the power of real estate investment. Real estate investment can provide long-term financial security and wealth-building opportunities. It offers potential for steady income and property value appreciation. Many successful investors like Barbara Corcoran started small and gradually built their real estate empires, proving that with knowledge and persistence, significant wealth can be created through property investment. 14. The heart of success. Developing emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence, EQ, is crucial for personal and professional success. It helps you navigate social complexities, lead effectively, and build stronger relationships. Leaders like Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft, have emphasized the importance of empathy and EQ in driving organizational success and innovation. 15. The currency of life, mastering time management. Effective time management is key to achieving your goals and reducing stress. It's about prioritizing tasks, avoiding procrastination, and maximizing productivity. Successful entrepreneurs like Tim Ferriss have developed innovative time management techniques, such as the 4-hour workweek, to increase efficiency and free up time for personal growth. If you're intrigued by the prospect of financial freedom and personal growth, keep watching our previous videos. They delve deeper into strategies for achieving success and reveal surprising insights about the journey ahead. Whether you're looking to invest wisely, start a business, or simply live a more fulfilling life, we've got you covered. Click the link in the description to explore more life-changing opportunities and take the first step towards the future you've always dreamed of.